Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having Jimmy John's. Alright you guys, so I ordered myself an Unwich. If you guys don't know what an Unwich is, it's like a sandwich. I'm blinking right now. It's a sandwich that's wrapped in lettuce. A lettuce wrapped sandwich. That's what it is, instead of bread. No, mama. She's like, what do you have there? So, ooh, this thing is heavy. This, everything with tip, it was like $20.85. So these two things, so I got 4 things. I got their Kickin Ranch. I have never tried this before. A lot of people really like it. So we're gonna try that today. Make sure everything's looking good. My eyebrows are a little crazy. I did them a little different. They seem crazy, I think, just because they're different. Anyways, I have just kind of as like a filler, depending on like how full this is, some cucumber here. I did order a whole pickle, quartered. Yeah, so there's spears there. I'm just gonna put these here. Like that. All right, so they have a new pesto with mozzarella, fresh mozzarella sandwich. So that's what I got. And I asked for extra salami, extra, pretty much extra everything, no mayonnaise, and then oil and vinegar, and extra red Jimmy John's peppers. I watched a lot of TikToks, seeing what different people's orders were, and a lot of from keto from Jimmy John's, and a lot of people add the peppers to their sandwiches. So that's what I did. All right, this thing's pretty heavy. Probably weighs like a pound. What is that? Oh yeah, that's a pepper. Ooh, it's got a sweetness to it. All right, let's see. So this has fresh mozzarella. I asked for easy balsamic glaze because it's sweet, and I don't know. I like balsamic glaze, but not too much of it. It has slow roasted tomatoes. It has onions, salami. It has an oregano basil. What's that called? An oregano basil like seasoning. And then it has the pesto sauce. So yeah. Ooh. And of course the fresh mozzarella. So I have a different hack that I'm going to do. Hold on. Because this is gonna be so messy, let me just give you guys a close-up of what it looks like before I do what I'm about to do. It's definitely, she's a big girl. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it in this extreme wellness wrap. You guys have probably seen this in a grocery haul video. So I'm gonna wrap it in this. These are really good. These are so soft. Make quesadillas out of this. So we're gonna just turn this into a wrap. Just like that. Fold the bottom and then just kind of wrap it over. And now we have a wrap. I've seen a lot of people do this like with sub sandwiches, like from Subway, other sandwich places too. I love fresh mozzarella. I bought the little pearl mozzarellas that are marinated in an oil and like a tomato herb seasoning. Those are so good. These are the other wraps that I use. I use these carb balance ones. This I got from Costco. It was $6. It's a family pack. So yeah, I use those. And then I also use the Don Poncho. And these are a bit bigger than the last ones I showed you. And then the Extreme Wellness ones, those are like burrito size. This is dripping. Mmm. All right. What makes this ranch good? It's a little spicy. It does have a little kick to it. I love pickles. Their pickles are good. So I got the pickles instead of chips. Look at me making smart choices. Or better choices. I don't taste the basil. They were busy. So when I went there, the lady told me that she had two 30-piece. I don't know what that means. She had two different 30-piece orders. Like 30 sandwiches? I don't know. So that my sandwich wasn't ready, but... And they came in before me, but she made mine real quick. That kind of sucks. I love basil. Or pesto. I love pesto. But I can't taste it. I see it, unless that's the herb. But I just can't taste it. I will say, adding the peppers, really good. And they do have a little bit of sweetness to them. Let me know how you guys have been. Today is, what's today? March 14th. How was your weekend? What did you guys do over the weekend? Look how juicy it is. I was stressing over the weekend. Those of you that watched my last video, you know that we had a pipe leak in our attic because our heating element is, it's a hydro heating system. There was no water damage. I was home. We caught it in time. So everything was cleaned up. But we're upgrading to central heating and cooling because we don't currently have air conditioning. So we had somebody come over Friday. We had three people come over yesterday on Monday to give us quotes. And man, I knew it was going to be a pretty penny, but I guess it's a lot of information. and like a range of prices. So I definitely was stressing over the weekend, like it's a lot of money. Either way, we knew. Man, that pickle is so good. We knew we wanted to get it done. It was on our list of things to upgrade. We just didn't want to do it so soon. And we have a good chunk of change. And we were planning on paying off my vehicle. But depending on how everything goes, that might be put on hold. So yeah, we just need to crunch some numbers and figure out what company we're gonna go with. We have one more person that's coming out today, and these people I went through Costco since we have a Costco membership. So we'll see what kind of deal we can get through them, and I don't know, just weigh out our options. So just a lot on my mind. I feel like all the flavor is like leaking out. Mmm. My dishwasher is on, so I hope that isn't, if you guys can hear that, I hope it's not bothering you guys. Mmm. I absolutely love fresh mozzarella. It's just so like fresh, and like the texture of it. Start dipping in this. This is like all flavor that's leaking out. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're having a great day. All that flavor. What is that? I think these are the tomatoes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this would have been so messy without the wrap. What did I watch? I watched, oh yeah, Firefly Lane. So season 2 is out. I like it. It's like, it's about two best friends. And like, how they grew up together, how they met, and then how they're doing in present time, and then it goes back and forth between timelines. So it was a little confusing at first to learn like the timelines and at what ages and everything they were, but it's a really good watch. I really liked it. I don't want to give away too much. It's a cute, what kind of, it's not like a rom-com, it's like drama. I don't know. I really like it. It was so easy for me to watch, to just sit and watch the second season. And it shows like, excuse me, how they fall out of friendship and then how they get back, like become friends again, you know. It shows their ups and downs. One of the friends is like famous and makes a lot of money, and the other one is a stay-at-home mom, and it's a really good watch. I also need to finish You. They have new, I watched the first, I don't know, what season are we on? Season 4? I forget what season we're on. The latest season, they had like the first half come out. And then I'm pretty sure they have the second half of the new season out. For the first half, it was okay. It was different. It was hard for me to get into. I need to rewatch the last episode because I fell asleep. I fell asleep during the end of it. So I need to rewatch it. And then at the time, I didn't feel like it was worth rewatching. So and then also Sex Life, they have their new season out. I need to watch that. That was a good show, if I remember. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean up a little, do my little housewife, stay-at-home mom stuff while I'm watching Netflix. It'll help keep my mind off of finances. You know? That was absolutely delicious, you guys. I don't even miss the bread. Granted, I did have a wrap, but the wrap is so low in carbs. So these are, they're only 80 calories, which I'm not really watching calories right now. My camera shut off. So these for one whole tortilla is only 80 calories. I'm not really watching calories right now. I'm more so just watching my carb intake. And then later on I can focus on calories once I like have a control of the carbs that I'm eating, and you know. Anyways, but for this whole thing there's only 7 grams of carbs. And you know, I'm sure I could look it up, but you know, Jimmy John's bread or with any other type of bread, it's gonna have more than 7 grams of carbs. So this has a lot of fiber in it. That's what makes it so low, is the fiber content. But while I was eating the sandwich, I didn't miss it. Although I will say when I went in to pick the sandwich up, it smelled so good. You know, the smell of bread. Who doesn't love the fresh smell of bread? Ugh, it smells so good. And then the softness of it. It's just like an enjoyable thing, you know what I mean? But I didn't miss it while I was eating it. So, yeah. Anyways, let me know if you guys have tried Jimmy John's Unwich. What sandwich do you guys get? I know the gargantuan is popular. I think the other one is Hulu? Hawaiian? I don't know. The gargantuan I know is a popular one. I saw that a lot on TikTok. But yeah, let me know what your favorite sandwich from Jimmy John's is. Leave that in the comments down below. Rate this video, share it with your family and friends. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Turn your notifications on so you're notified the second I upload a brand new video. Share this with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Bye!